Okay, welcome back to the channel. I'm JP from the Digital Growth Sage. Today we're going to be going over what are Figma comments. If you're working with me on a project and you're a client, this is a way for us to leave digital sticky notes for our design files and letting all of our collaborators leave feedback directly on specific design areas or elements. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. For today's use, the first thing I would like to go over is navigating a Figma file. First things I'm going to do is to hover over the move icon and click into it. I'm only going to go over the basics for this video, that way it makes it easy and quick for you to navigate in here, make the revision requests you need, and then to have them done. In order to pan left or right on the screen, you need to hold down on the spacebar. And after you hold down on the spacebar, you'll see your mouse change from the mouse icon over to a hand. You'll be able to then click and drag the screen as needed to see more or see less in any area. From there, you can hit the control button and then scroll in on your mouse so that you can see very detailed information into the mockups. If I want to scroll into this home page, I can hover over the home page and hit my control scroll, and that will bring me closer to this area. If I want to center it, I can then hit the space bar to grab and click and drag. If I would like to see this side panel minimized, I would click into this button, and from here we can then see much more granular sections for the mockups. From here, what we want to do is to be able to click the comment icon or tap C on your keyboard to enter comment mode. That icon is down here. It looks like a little bubble or a text bubble, and we're going to click into it. We have a few different options. We can either directly click onto a section or element and change this and have a request and leave a comment. Change this to new header, and as soon as we hit enter, that comment is then left for the design team as well as myself, being able to get that into the update that we're working on at the moment. You can also click and drag to highlight an entire area. If you didn't like something about this specific bottom section but you didn't want to have to describe it, you can hover over it and click into this entire area, say please remove this entire section, and after you hit enter, I will then see that when I go back into viewing this, I will see exactly where your box appears. The last comment style that I would want to go over is how to include an icon or an image. If you want to include an image, if you have very specific, let's say this image we wanted to replace, please swap with the attached image. What we would do is hover over the image icon, rock into our recent images, and then we can grab any recent image we want, hit open, and then hit enter, and that would then leave that comment for my team. And yeah, this is how you would leave comments in Figma and go over an entire design file in one sitting, being able to make review requests for an entire website all at one time. Okay, cool. I'm looking forward to seeing your review requests. All right, cheers.